You're listening to Steven from Riviere Sands, only on Active 9 Radio.
Hi, you're listening to Wayne from Riviere Sands, only on Active 9 Radio.
Good man. What's your name? Lee. Lee, you're listening to Lee from Riviere Sands on Active 9 Radio. I'll do the action for you and everything. Action. We're on a budget. We're on a clipboard, but we're on a budget. Action.
Hello, and you're listening to Lee from Riviere Sands on Active 9 Radio, the hardest worker at Haven.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Action. Go.
Hi, I'm Jason Newton from Riviera Sands, only on Active 9 Radio.
Spot on, mate.
Hi,
This is Jan from Riviere Sands, and I only listen to Radio
I'll stand in with me out on. There you go. Come on. Go, Jan. Come on.
I haven't had enough of these yet. Can you say it for me?
Jan, I've already done one. Come on, Jan. Jan, you didn't hear it.
this is Jan, and you're only listening to me on Active 9 Radio.
I roll on. Wouldn't have taken this game without you.
You're only listening to me on Active 9 Radio? Yeah. Oh my gosh.
I'll stand here with me cap.
I'm so embarrassed. Hi, this is Jan from Riviere Sands. I only listen to Active 9 Radio.
You're only listening to her on Active 9 Radio.
That's better than Keith and Orville. I saw that.
Yeah, but I'm going to put my hand up my back today.
Hi, this is Margaret, and you're listening to me on Active 9 Radio.
You're doing a jingle for their radio, aren't you?
Come on, you can do it! No, I can't.
Okay,
Ready now?
Now the last song.
Action.
Oh, you're listening to Louise at Riviere Sands on Active 9.
You're listening to Ems from Riviere Sands, only on Active 9 Radio.
I'll be alright.
You ready?
Okay, you ready?
Are you ready for the action? You're not allowed to laugh when they do the action because it's a cheap version. Are you ready?
No, you're not. You're
Action.
listening to Ems at Riviere Sands on Active 9 Radio.
Alright, hope you have a nice season. Hope to see you soon.
Hi Lee, we just gave this message to you to say we hope you're having a great season, and I don't really know why, but yeah, we just want to say hi.
And hope to see you soon. Bye.
Right, we're ready.
This is Crazy Craig Barkley, voted #1 entertainer by Active 9 2005.
Yeah.
Got it.
Good actual, isn't it? First time. Right, we're ready. Expensive action sign. Action.
You're listening to Barbie Ems at Riviere Sands, only on Active 9 Radio.
Right,
Ready, tell me when.
ready.
1 banana, 2 banana, 3 banana, 4.
Go. Go.
No, because I don't know what to say now.
So you speak on the mic all the time. It's the same thing.
What do you think? I've got to say.
Hi, this is Kaz from...
I've got to say it to there.
Yeah, it works.
It's a microphone there.
Oh, okay.
We'll put it onto audio when we get home.
Riviere Sands, you're listening to Active 9.
Hi, this is Kaz. You're listening to Active 9. No, I've got it wrong now.
This is Kaz
Right.
from Riviere. You're listening to Active 9 Radio.
Hi, this is Kaz from Riviere Sands, and you're listening to Active 9 Radio.
Brilliant. Tell me when.
Ready.
Let's see, you're clicking your fingers round in a circle, but get back for the funky bit that starts now.
9 or Active 9 Radio.
Okay.
Right, ready. And action.
You're listening to Sarah at Riviere Sands, only on Active 9 Radio.
Tell me when. Clap those hands and jump up and down.
You're listening to Ange from Riviere Sands on Active 9 Radio. So I'll start it, okay? Let's go.
Right, I'll do the action. That's the action.
The action.
It's a cost cutting, and you know, like the proper
Yeah,
thing, but
I know what you mean.
cost cuts and everything.
If I do
so
it wrong, don't shout at me.
no. And action.
Hi, you're listening to Rebecca on Active 9 Radio. Oh, I've done it wrong, sorry. Did it wrong.
Right.
I said Becky as well.
My name's Rebecca.
Is it? I don't know my name.
Are we ready?
Okay then.
And action.
Hi, you're listening to Becky on Active 9 Radio.
From
Oh no, I forgot to say it again. Sorry, do it again.
take 3 and action.
Hi, you're listening to Becky from Riviere Sounds on Active 9 Radio.
Woo! That's it.
Yeah, can I listen to it?
Yeah, you're doing that on purpose, aren't you?
No.
Are we ready? Oi, sweetheart, I'm Angelo from Riviere Sounds. Oh no, I can't do it. You're filming me as well.
You'll be the first one to get your medal of gold at this park.
What's that?
You get a medal of gold once you've done it. Haven quality medal and everything.
Is it?
Yeah. Seriously? Don't believe me, do you?
I get a what?
Your medal of gold.
Are you still filming me yet?
Yeah, still filming.
Alright. Oi, sweetheart, I'm Angelo from Riviere Sands and you're listening to Active 9.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Easy.